Got a 2005 Chevy Malibu Maxx with a bad ball joint, which is in the control arm. We got 5 19mm lugs. Got an 18mm wrench for the upper control arm bolt or nuts. Got a 19mm down here. Alright, now that we got this side off, we're going to come over here. We got a 18mm bolt right here, which this side right here, as you can see, is a welded plate that holds the nut intact. A ratcheting wrench is going to be the easiest way to get this right here out. Alright, now as far as the ball joint itself, there's going to be a, as you can see right here, it is a 16mm. The other side is going to be a 15mm. Once you break those free, you can use either a pry bar or a pickle fork to separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle. In regards to relieving the pressure on the actual ball joint itself, I personally take a secondary jack and jack up the steering knuckle to relieve the pressure. Then the ball joint will pop out a lot easier. Just a quick update, it is out. Took very minimal effort to get that out. Alright, got the old one out. The hardest part was getting that bolt pulled back far enough. And I got the new one almost in. The ball joint right here does have a grease fitting on the bottom, so make sure it is greased before you get everything all tightened up and good to go. Alright, got this control arm put on. We got this bolt right here is torqued roughly to about 45 pounds. The ones back there are roughly about 75. This one right here, I believe, was around 20 to 30 if I remember correctly.